Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to use screen recording on the VIVO X300 Pro. So first, scroll down the quick access menu and scroll down again. Now you don't see screen recording here, so scroll right to the second page and right here it is, record screen. Press it to start recording your screen. First it needs some permissions. Now your screen is being recorded. To end screen recording, simply press the stop button here. Let's see what we've recorded. Go to ALBO, and here is our screen recording. As you can see, our screen has been recorded. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.